Here we have an absolutely amazing and impossible to find 1937 Pierce Arrow Travelodge Model B. Now, the Model B was a 16.5-foot model. It's kind of they had a Model A, Model B, and Model C in the Pierce Arrow Travelodges. This is the Model B, so it's the 16.5-foot model. Now, these were exterior, they're all aluminum with a birch interior. You'll get to the inside here in just a little bit. But as you can see, this thing is stunning. Couple of dings and bruises along the line, you know, after nearly 100 years, but still incredibly complete, incredibly taken care of. This trailer has been in a private collection for decades and has not been advertised or out in the public for I don't even know how long. There are a couple articles on this particular trailer out on the internet if you happen to find them, but this is the one. And I might add, if you look back here, here's the tow vehicle for it if you might be interested in that. Here's the 1935 Pierce Arrow 845 sedan. Limousine, actually. It does have the divider window and so on. You can see more details on that on our website, as well as the trailer here at uniqueclassiccars.com. These things are absolutely, they were way ahead of their time in comfort and convenience and quality. Now, the nice thing about these is there's only 261 of these Model Bs built. Pierce Arrow only built these trailers. They only had about a 4-month production run. And during those 4 months, they produced 261 Model Bs, and according to the Pierce Arrow Society records, there are only 12 of these known to exist today. Let's take a look at the inside. That's my favorite part. Very well done, including the screen door, so when you're in there, you don't have to worry about the bugs getting you. But look at the interior of this. It is absolutely stunning. Now, the Model B campers here, they slept 4. 2 up front here and 2 in the back at the dinette. Of course, the table would go down and you could sleep 2 folks back there as well. All the cabinetry, the wood finish is in excellent condition, as you can see. And again, I definitely recommend taking a look at all the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. So these had a built-in heater, as you can see right here. The Model Bs came also with a 2-burner stove, which you have right here. And even as ahead of their time as they were, you still had an ice box. Not a refrigerator, but an ice box. You put your ice in there, and as it would melt and stay in there, that of course would cool your food and beverages. Maybe even an old Miller Lite there, the way it looks. All the latches and everything work as they should. And storage all over the place. Here's the sink, what appears to be original faucet there. No broken glass. All the hardware is in excellent condition. Right down to the little lamps. There's no signs anywhere in here of any sort of water leaks or anything like that. It is in excellent condition. Here's the roof vent that's open. You've got a closet right here. Towel robe up there. More storage. If you were toting one of these back in the day, you and your family were cruising in style. There was no two ways about that. I can't stress to you enough the condition, especially the interior of this Pierce Arrow Travelodge. It is incredible. Again, according to the Pierce Aero Society, only 12 of these are known to exist. 100% collector grade, collector quality, and rarity, and it's usable. Don't miss your chance to own one of the most rare items out on the market today. I'll kind of go around the outside, show you a couple of the bumps and bruises that I've seen. There's a little bit of paint flaking right here by the window. You can see there's a little bit of a ding down there. The floors and substructure on it are very, very solid. No issues that I had seen there. You can see there's a little bump and bruise there. And then another little one up here, and that's about it. Again, you can check out all the still photos of this unit on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Don't forget, we do have the tow unit available as well, the 35 Pierce Aero over there. Buy one or the other, or buy them as a package. We'd really love to see these two stay together if possible, but ultimately we can't control that. Please give us a call at 507-386-1726 with any questions.